students. Welcome to the fourth lab lecture of C language for BCA first semester as per the syllabus of IK Gujral, Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar. The course code is 1905, problem solving using C laboratory. These are the contents. I have already covered first three programs. Write a program to display your name and print the message with inputted name, then addition of two numbers, then finding square of the given number. In today's video, I would like to explain write a program to calculate the average of three real numbers. For that, I am using Dev C++ platform. The contents are according to IK Gujral Punjab Technical University. It's for BCA first semester. Course name is Problem Solving Using C Laboratory and course code is UGCA 1905. It's program number 4. Write a program to calculate the average of three real numbers. To start with the program, first of all, header files. Generally, two header files are required. One is stdio.h and second is conio.h. Then main function, then declaration of variables, int. Now, look at the statement. Write a program to calculate the average of three real numbers. It means I have to enter three real numbers. If I am talking in terms of real number, it means decimal numbers can also be there. I have to declare the decimal numbers, that is float. Then sum is required and average is required. Then printf, enter first real number in the new line. Then scanf. To enter the float value, you have to write %f, then ampersand a. Similarly, you can enter second and third value. Enter second real number. Here you can write b. Then enter third real number and you can write c. These are the three real numbers and entry method is same. First of all, you have to write printf, then scanf, and inside scanf you have to write percentage, means control string %f. You can write here in comment %f is control string for float. Now addition of all the numbers, sum is equal to A plus B plus C. Then the next content is average. You can write sum divided by 3 like this. Two contents are there. You can print these values also. Print. Then sum of these numbers is equal to percentage F. You can write sum here. Then printf average is equal to percentage 0.3f. Now what is the meaning of 0.3? You can display the answer up to 3 places of decimal. Percentage 0.3f means you can display the answer up to 3 places of decimal. You can display the answer up to 3 places of decimal. Now let us check the program again. First of all, I declare the variables. 3 variables are required here. Calculate the average of 3 real numbers. 3 real numbers, I declare 3 real numbers. Then for average, I have to find out the sum. Then the formula for average is sum divided by 3 because 3 numbers are there. Then entry of the first real number, then entry of the second real number, then entry of third real number. With the help of percentage F, I can print that number and enter that number using ampersand A. Ampersand gives us the address of that particular variable, whichever is declared at the top. Then sum is there. Sum is simple, that is A plus B plus C. After that, calculation of average is there, sum divided by 3. Then printf sum of these numbers, percentage F sum, you can print the value here. Then average percentage 0.3f means you can display the answer up to 3 places of decimal. Semicolon is required here. Header file, so all the contents are okay. Now execute the program. Enter the first real number. Suppose I enter 13 here, 12 here, and 11 here. Sum of these numbers is equal to 36.000 something. Average is equal to 12. Yes, both the answers are correct. Now some modifications are required. You can write here 0.0 or 0.2. You can also set this value up to 0.2, and you can write here a new line so that you can split the data. These contents are required. Now execute the program. First value, second value, and third value. Look at the answer now, it looks better. Sum of these numbers 23, 12 plus 4, 16 plus 7, 23 is there. Then average 7.67. Now you can modify again by writing some contents. Sum of, you can write here percentage 0.0 f comma percentage 0.0 f and percentage 0.0f is, and here you can also write 0.0f like this. Then average, you can write here inside bracket percentage 0.2f divided by percentage 0.2f is equal to percentage 0.2f. Now what is the meaning of this? Sum of first, second and third number. I can write here a comma b comma c, and then the answer is sum like this. I repeat again, sum of this one is first number, this one is percentage 0.0f for a, this one is for b, then this one is for c. Sum of a, b and c is equal to sum. Then average. Average is equal to this value, and this value. Now what is the meaning of this? First value is sum, and second value divided by 3 is required. You can write here 3, this one. Percentage 0.2f divided by 3 is equal to percentage 0.2f, means first value is sum and second value is average here. Now check the output. First number is 11, 5 and 8. Look at the answer now. Sum of 11, 5 and 8 is equal to 24, and average 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. Now it's okay. Now the content is almost clear. I repeat again. Entry of the variables, entry of the real numbers are there. First real number, then second, then third, then sum of the values are there, then average of the values, then printing sum of first, second and third value is equal to sum, like that. Average is equal to percentage 0.2f divided by 3, like that. Hope you understand the content of writing the program. In the next video, I will discuss about this program, write a program to find sky value of a character. Thanks for watching my video.